Crane Wasp has emerged as a pioneer in the construction industry by being the first company globally to utilize 3D printing technology for the creation of earthen homes. This groundbreaking approach presents numerous benefits compared to conventional building techniques. By leveraging soil and other natural materials sourced directly from the construction site, Crane Wasp not only promotes the use of local resources but also adheres to environmentally sustainable practices. The efficiency of 3D printing technology significantly surpasses that of traditional construction methods, allowing for quicker project completion. Furthermore, this innovative technique enables a high degree of customization in home design, catering to the unique preferences of homeowners. The incorporation of natural materials in the construction process also contributes to the longevity and resilience of these earthen structures. As the demand for sustainable living solutions continues to grow, this method holds considerable promise for the development of energy-efficient homes in the future. By prioritizing eco-friendly materials and practices, Crane Wasp is setting a new standard in the construction industry, paving the way for a more sustainable approach to housing that benefits both the environment and the community. This innovative technology for wall cutting employs either a chainsaw or a diamond wire cutting technique, both of which are designed to provide precise and efficient solutions for structural modifications. The choice between these two methods often depends on the specific requirements of the project, including the type of material being cut and the desired finish. Chainsaws are typically used for their versatility and ability to handle various materials, while diamond wire cutting is favored for its ability to create clean, smooth cuts with minimal vibration, making it ideal for delicate or intricate work. The result of this meticulous approach is a remarkable achievement in building maintenance, with a proven track record of achieving a 100% success rate in preventing ceiling-related moisture issues. This not only enhances the durability of the structure but also contributes to a healthier living environment for occupants. Ultimately, the implementation of wall cutting technology represents a vital investment in the long-term preservation and functionality of any building, ensuring that it remains safe, dry, and comfortable for years to come. This innovative reinforcement technology serves as either an alternative or a complementary option to conventional steel reinforcement. It presents a rapid and efficient method for reinforcement, with installation made simple through the use of specially engineered fasteners. This system provides a more practical and dependable alternative to traditional reinforcement techniques. By streamlining construction processes, it not only accelerates project timelines but also contributes to cost savings. Decorative asphalt coatings offer enhanced aesthetics and greater durability compared to conventional asphalt surfaces. These innovative coatings exhibit superior resistance to wear and tear, ensuring a longer lifespan and maintaining their visual appeal over time. Their versatility allows for application in a variety of settings, including residential properties, commercial spaces, parks, and other outdoor environments. This adaptability makes them an excellent choice for enhancing the appearance of diverse areas. The application process for decorative asphalt coatings is straightforward and uncomplicated, making it accessible for various projects. By incorporating these coatings, one can significantly elevate the elegance and overall ambience of any space. Andy Roman, an architect, skillfully integrates Indonesia's rich architectural traditions with contemporary design principles. His work harmoniously fuses the distinctive elements of traditional Indonesian homes with modern aesthetics, creating a unique architectural language. A notable example of his innovative approach is the Oma Boto project, which exemplifies this blend of heritage and modernity. Oma Boto is particularly distinguished by its use of red bricks, drawing inspiration from the traditional Javanese house concept. This project serves as a prime illustration of the architectural philosophy embraced by Roman's firm. The warm tones of the red brick not only enhance the visual appeal of the structure but also pay homage to the region's architectural roots, reinforcing a connection to the past while embracing the present. The design features 13 unique brick patterns, a collaborative effort between the architect and skilled craftsmen. These intricate patterns not only create a captivating visual experience but also contribute to the structural integrity of the building. By utilizing natural materials, Oma Boto stands as a significant example of sustainable architecture, showcasing how traditional techniques can be adapted to meet modern environmental standards. Doka base represents a cutting-edge approach to basement construction that incorporates built-in insulation. This method provides numerous benefits compared to conventional basement building techniques. By utilizing prefabricated modular systems, it significantly accelerates the construction timeline, allowing for quicker project completion. The integrated insulation not only enhances the durability of the basements but also improves their energy efficiency. Installation of Doka base is straightforward and efficient, as the prefabricated modules are easily positioned on-site. The insulation system, which is part of these modules, effectively covers the basement walls. Once the modules are in place, concrete is poured into them, resulting in robust basement walls. After the concrete has set, the necessary finishing touches are applied to complete the structure. The external formwork of the Doka base serves as permanent insulation for the building. This design yields a refined finish with a high-density concrete edge, which helps to minimize the risk of cracking. The fresh concrete acts as a binding agent, ensuring a seamless, leak-proof connection with the mineral coating of the insulation board. This synergy between the concrete and insulation eliminates the requirement for additional moisture barriers, enhancing the overall integrity of the basement. Wall grip serves as an effective method for mitigating the risk of cracking. It effectively distributes both static tensile and compressive forces, thereby enhancing the compressive strength of lightweight mortar and aerated concrete blocks. The installation involves placing it within the center of the bed joint, ensuring it is secured with a minimum anchoring length of 10 centimeters. For optimal results, it is advisable to incorporate wall grip in every third layer.